In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Otter.ai with Google Meet. We're going to set up Otter so it can automatically join your Google Meet calls, take notes for you, and deliver a clean transcript with AI-generated summaries and action items. By the end, you'll be ready to run meetings without worrying about missing details. First, head to Otter.ai in your browser and sign in. Using your Google account is the smoothest option because we'll connect your calendar next. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Otter workspace, which is where all your conversations and transcripts will live. Next, connect your Google Calendar so Otter can detect your Google Meet events. Click your profile photo or initials in the top right, open Settings, then go to the Apps section. Choose Google Calendar and follow the prompts to allow permissions. This connection lets Otter read your calendar, event titles, times, and meeting links, so it knows when and where to join. If you ever change your mind, you can return to this apps page to disconnect. It's a good idea to confirm you've selected the correct Google account, especially if you juggle work and personal calendars. Now, enable auto join so Otter can enter your meetings without you lifting a finger. From Settings, open the Meetings tab and turn on auto join for Google Meet. If you also use Zoom or Microsoft Teams, switch those on too. With these toggles enabled, Otter will appear as a participant named Otter.ai, note taker, right when your meeting begins. If your organization uses waiting rooms or strict guest settings, just be ready to admit the note taker. And as a best practice, let everyone know the meeting is being transcribed so you stay aligned with recording and privacy policies. You're ready to start your Google Meet. Launch the meeting as you normally would. Shortly after the meeting begins, the Otter.ai note taker will join, record the audio, and create a real-time transcript that you and your teammates can follow. Real-time transcription is especially helpful for clarity, accessibility, and catching details when people talk quickly or over each other. When the meeting wraps, open Otter to review everything in one place. You'll find the full transcript along with an AI summary, action items, and key highlights. These summaries help you quickly skim decisions and follow-ups without replaying the entire call. If you spot anything that needs correction, you can edit the transcript directly. That's it. With Otter connected to your Google Calendar and auto join enabled, your Google Meet calls practically document themselves, freeing you up to focus on the discussion instead of the notes.